I would like to welcome you to Ottawa, Ontario, Canada, where it's absolutely freezing out because it's the middle of winter. This is Algonquin College, and this is my office here at the college. My name is Michel Lacroix, and I'm going to be the professor for this course. I teach here at the college in the field of media arts. I've taught graphic design, web development, and I even teach in the mobile app program. Mastering web animations using SVG is such a great topic. It's definitely benefited my career. I really enjoy SVG as it's a forgiving language. It can encompass a lot of unique features. It's very friendly across devices, and it's really just leading the way. It's being highly developed. It has amazing functionality as it can use XML, CSS, JavaScript, even its own language.
In section 1, we're going to look at how to draw SVG shapes. So the first thing in the course is we're going to learn how to draw SVG shapes, something like this. And then we're going to be looking at understanding the SVG code, which looks a little something like this. I'm going to be explaining all the necessary details so that you can create any SVG application. In section 2, we're going to start creating some animation using CSS. To me, this is a great example of what's possible using CSS to do animated graphics. And in the last section, we're going to check out SVG functionality. We're going to be looking at all sorts of stuff regarding web animations, as well as how to implement some beautiful code so that we can make our SVG objects to create strong applications. You're going to have all the necessary tools required to creating a really great project.
So I do commend you for taking this course. I really hope that you enjoy it, and I'm going to wish you good studies.